Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another project. Another project from the Anna Griffin Gracious Giftables digital cartridge that you can use in your Cricut. So she seems exclusive to Cricut. I don't know if she does anything with Silhouette, but you have opportunities on HSN to buy her exclusive dies. To me, they are wonderful, but they are pricey. And when I went to go look for them, they were all out. And so you have to, resort to eBay. And so $60 was a lot of money. And it just so happened in my research that I found that there's actually a Cricut cartridge. And for $30 plus I had a 15% discount, I was able to get all of the images that I could resize and use as often as I would like. Okay, so having said all that, I am making the little shopping bag. So for this project, I used my Cricut, I used this Happy stamp from the Greening Farm, and I used this Jaded Blossom Gift Cards Galore stamp set. And then the paper that I'm using is from Maggie Holmes. It is a recent purchase from Tuesday morning, and the paper pad didn't say the name of the paper collection. I think maybe possibly it's a hodgepodge of different papers from collections, or just an older paper pad without a name. I have no idea. But anyway, that's what I'm using. And as far as the sizing goes, you have to go to Anna Griffin's website to get the proper sizing, because it will not size correctly when it gets imported. So this is how it cuts. This piece all cuts in one pass. So you just have to put this side together, and it's like an accordion fold on the sides. I'm using score tape just because it's easier for me to use score tape for something like this. And I'm just going to line up my sides. And it's hard to see here. And so there we go. Oops. All right. There's that. So I've already accordion folded the sides. And then you've got this piece right here that fits in just like a box. And then it all fits in like so. So let me go ahead and get this going. I tried to go to Tuesday morning. Actually, I did go to Tuesday morning. And they said, oh, our shipment hasn't come in yet. So then I tried to go back again. And they said the shipment would be here. And then they said they were not going to get any of their craft stuff out. And then I've got this piece of tape at the bottom, which I'm going to rub off. They were going to get their stuff out until later that day. So I was kind of disappointed. And I'm going to try to go back, because I really want to see, what my Tuesday morning gets on a shipment day. Because whenever I go there, even if I go there early, I find that everything is really picked over. I never find the good dies. And so my curiosity is, do we actually get the good dies at my store? Like, do they exist, So, like, do we even get them, or do we never get them? Because I never see them. So I don't know. So I've got to go back in the morning, because I couldn't go back in the afternoon. So hopefully their time's a charm. Okay, so then you have the handles, and you have the option to, cut these out of a contrasting paper. And there we go. And so it makes a very nice, kind of sturdy little bag. Okay, then we do the other side. And it's so hot where we are. Okay. And let me just do this other one. So if you do like these dies, the dies that you can make, that you get, that I saw, was a handbag and like a wallet. They were just super, super cute. But I could not justify $60. Okay, this and this. Okay, so here we go. And here is my bag. So the only problem that I have with the Maggie Holmes 12 by 12 paper pad is that it's not double-sided. It's really hard to do these projects when they're not double-sided, but it's fine. So then all I did was stamp on a little tag, shop till you drop. And I'm going to tie that here. I prefer twine, but I just really wanted something that was the right color. Okay, shop till you drop. And then here is the inside piece. And so I just stamped this little shopping Anya girl. And then inside is the place for your gift card or money or whatever it is that you want to put inside. And so then this fits perfectly inside of your little shopping bag that you created. And it peeks out of the top almost like it's tissue paper. And then there is the little shopping bag. Isn't that cute? I mean, I think it would be cuter with double-sided paper just because then you don't have that white inside. But I guess, that's what shopping bags have. And so that's my project. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.